What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby, on a Friday. Can you believe it? We made it another week, baby. We already turned up, man. I know you like, bro, you releasing this video a little early. I was waiting. But look, man, I got things to do. You feel what I'm saying? It's the weekend, baby. Especially when you rich. The weekend is here. Hey, man. But I'm going to get right to it, man. Without further ado, y'all know it's giveaway day. Finna drop this drip on your head, man, already. But look here. I'm going to tell you a little story right quick, man. You know, most YouTubers won't tell you this, right? But hey, man, I keep it all the way 100. But look, everybody got this favorite corn they have, man. Like a favorite corn that they have, you know, a little soft spot for it, no matter what the price. So mine used to be Maker, right? You probably know what that is. It's called Maker Dow. So Maker was always like, you know, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 or whatever. I'm like, man, boy, if I ever get low, I'm gonna get me about 10 of them, just hold it forever. So actually, Maker got down about like, man, it got down to like $170-something. So I said I wanted 10 of them, right? So I bought 8 for some reason. I bought 8. I don't know why I ain't bought the other 2. You know how you get, you know what I'm saying? You have these plans and then it don't turn out that way. But I bought 8 of them, right? I bought 8 Maker at like $179, right? Now look, y'all know how we do. Now when I bought them the whole. I'm like, man, I'm gonna hold these Maker, right? It's going to the moon. Maker finna be the 100,000. I ain't gonna never say. I'm just gonna keep them no matter what happened. Boy, that thing dropped down to $160-something. I sold all of it. Boy, I couldn't wait to hit that sale. Boy, I was so mad. Because it happened so quick. As soon as I bought them, it was like the next day it dropped like that. I was like, oh, man. And so I sold them all, bro. But I say that to say this. Let me show you something. Maker is now $3,700. Wow. Man. And that, I be watching it, man. Cause that's one of my, I just had a soft spot for it. Cause I know it's going up. Like I know it. I had it, bro, for $179 a piece. I had 8 of them, bitch. 8 of them. And sold them at a loss for $165. Now I know y'all listen to Trayvon and everybody. They get everything for a penny and they sell it at $1,000 a pound. I know everybody's win. They don't never know. I know. I just keep it real, bro. I just keep it real. It happens, and it happened to me. So I just want to tell y'all that, man. Look at that. It was 6,000, man. Look at that. $100. Oh my God, man. That was good, and it wasn't that long ago. That was just last year. Oh. Anyway, man, let's get back. I'm gonna say how much that is. How much them 8 worth? How much them 8 would have been worth? $30,000. Good God Almighty, bro! I just lost $30,000. But anyway, man, y'all let me forget. I can't believe y'all let me forget. How long? I knew something was wrong. How long? That's why I lost the money. Hold on, why this? Ugh. Now we can move on. Let's give away this money, baby. Y'all already know about all the other stuff. But let me see buy swap price. See what buy swap hit like. $1.50. But y'all missing that. I ain't even. Well, look here. I ain't even. Let me go on. Wait. I don't need to see that either. Going over here to the money, baby. All right, what we gonna do? What we got? Claim that. Bam. Claim that so I can get it away. Claim that so I can get it away. If I give away some more money, that ain't funny. I don't even have to look at it no more. Sometimes I used to look at it just to keep it. I don't even have to look at it. I give away some more money. If I ever get broke, boy, y'all get my money back. I'll come looking for y'all. When I gave y'all that drip, why did we get some of that back? And I hate this, man. What is this? You can't even like, you're doing a thing, you just click, clack, 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 clack. You know what I'm saying? Up the feed and going to get it through. What is that, man? God, man be doing too much. Leave it alone. Sometimes change is not good, bro. Sometimes change is bad. Just be doing stuff. Everybody try to, never mind. They might be listening. Might be messing up my account. My bad, Meta Man. I'm just tripping, cuz. But Forrest got some stuff coming, boy. He got a little NFT stuff coming. Got his own farm coming that he working on. Ain't no partnership stuff. Forrest coming on. He coming with a farm that he is working on. So you better get these drip tokens, but what we got? 219. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? You know you gotta have 50 drip. I say that every week. That's what we got. We got the team airdrop. We're gonna do it like this. Use my Addy Waddy. Divide to hell no, boy. I got things to do. We're going 20 players today, boy. I ain't even. And see what I like about this? It picked 20 random people. I ain't got nothing to do with this, bro. So go crying to your dog, cause I ain't got nothing. I don't know what 20 folk they finna pick. You know what I'm saying? Look, eligible matching players selected at random. I love that. I ain't got nothing to do with it. You know what I'm saying? So just put that out there, Anyway, minimum directs, you got to have 15 people under you. And let's see. No, I'm kidding. I know some of y'all just had a heart attack. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You got to have no minimum directs. Well, I got to go. I got some things to do today. Team depth, first team, baby, first team. You know what I'm saying? All the NBA, all Americas. Minimum net deposit. Oh, you know what you got to have. 50 Drizzy. Let me see. Should I lower it today? I'm feeling generous. I'm gonna lower it to 25 drip today, just for y'all. See how nice guy I am. I just flipped the script. All of a sudden, I ain't gonna do it no more. So don't be talking about last time and I'm just doing it today. That's it. Nah, I'm doing it today. It's random. I don't know. It might pick somebody with 1,000 drips, somebody with 25 drips. I don't know. Anyway, let me pause these boys right quick. Hold on. This be messing up. I got to go down that thing 20 times and click that button. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, my God. Come on. Pause these boys right quick. The Telegram going ham. Just for 1 hour. I'll be back. Don't do nothing stupid. See what we got going on. I'm going to get with this money, man. 25 drip. Budget. 200. Run it. Bam. Come on. Well, go a little faster. We'll pause it, though. Bam. Here we go. Look how many people we got. We got 280 eligible people. 20 recipients. There we go. The top 20. Pick randomly. Here we go. Bam. Do it like that. And I got to do each one of these by hand. Each person going to get 10 drip. Boy, how much that is? What that is? What drip is? What that is? What drip by $24? $240 a piece. Who is giving 20 people $240 a piece, bro? Me. That's who. So let's get to it, baby. Hey, if you ain't get it this week, you might get it next week. It's all random. That's what I like about it. Randomonium. And I lowered the drip just for this week. So I don't know what to tell you, bro. You know what I'm saying? You should like the video just for that. You should like the video just for that. You know what I'm saying? Then I got to do this. Man, look at this. Bruh, did I just tell you I got things to do? And I got to do this 20 times? And it done took away the thing where you got. Let me show you what to do now. It takes longer to speed up the process. You might as well just do this. Cause why this? If I want to speed it up, I gotta hit edit. I gotta hit edit suggested gas fee. Then I gotta do this button right here was on the front page before. Hell, if I just hit the button, I'd already be done. I have to do that for each one. Ain't that crazy? Man, Oh, they just mess everything up. They just first YouTube, we had it going good. For everybody that was active and involved and comment on the YouTube thing, just put your address, boom, I come give it to you, we done. They hating on that. They messed that up. Now MetaMask won't let you speed up the transaction. So you know I ain't finna do no 100 folk. That's crazy. But anyway, man, I got things to do. I'm finna give away this money. I appreciate y'all, man. Hey, look here. I got some more. I can't put everything in one video. I'm gonna announce some more stuff next week. Like the video, man. Comment, subscribe, hit that notification. If you don't know the notification, it's the little bell thingy on the video. Hit the notification so you'll get the video. Anyway, holla at your boy, man.